Today we are going to check out our tactical pen. A lot of people probably don't even know what a tactical pen is. It's basically a pen that does a lot more than just write. We're going to open one up here and see what we got. That's what it looks like. Doesn't look like much until you start unscrewing things. You got a little whistle here. If you're in danger, you can blow the whistle. You can unscrew this part. And there, Phillips head screwdriver. But also, flip it around, flathead screwdriver. Okay, what else have we got? Unscrew this. That's your whistle. Sorry, I got that mixed up. See? Whistle. Let's keep going, see what else happens. There's the pen part that you can put back onto here if you want. And you can put this end back on. Regular size writing pen, no problem there. We're going to put that all back together. Also, on the end of it, push the button, flashlight. Very bright LED flashlight. Press it again. If you have an emergency, you got a strobe feature on it, so that's pretty cool. Made of good grade aluminum material. Of course, the clip if you need that. But let's compare it to the $56 one-tack tactical pen. Got one of those right here. Pretty similar. The one-tack pen has the flashlight like ours does. On and off. There's no strobe feature. It's got a glass breaker part. If you unscrew this, got a little knife on it. Come in handy. The thing I don't like about the one-tack pen though is this. When you unscrew it, I mean it's a pen. That's your pen. It's very small. Really no other way to put it than that. Compared to ours at $24.99 versus $56, much better buy here. You get a lot more things that it can do. Both feel made very well. You just get a lot more options with ours than you do the way more expensive one tack. That's it. Thanks for watching.